deadly combo you have ever seen is being a foodie and health conscious at the same time. You love deep fried foods, but can't afford those fats. But again, can't afford those calories. Oh God, that's too much to take.
Don't worry, my child. I have a solution for you.
Solution? Geek Digital Air Fryer? If you don't know about this product, then let me tell you. This digital air fryer allows you to cook your favorite recipe at home with 85% less fat and less oil than traditional deep oil fried foods, which makes it sufficient for 6 to 8 members. On the top, there are 8 preset cooking menus where you can prepare a variety of foods in fries, chicken, desserts, pizza, fish, and prawns. The Feather Touch digital panel is so nice to the touch and has buttons for the temperature and timing. And the brand new 2023 feature in it comes with see-through window with light where you can monitor your cooking. Now let's see how to use this product. Put your ingredients into non-stick basket and select the desired function and adjust the time and temperature according to your preference. You can also change the time and temperature even when the fryer is running. Now power button to start the operation. You can pause by short touching the power button. And if you want to cancel, long touch power button to shut off. With a pleasant non-stick coating that is simple to wipe down and clean with a gentle moist cloth, the removable air frying basket is a convenient feature. In addition to the instructions and recipe book that comes with the fryer, you can now download the Geek Recipe app to access even more exciting recipes. 1-year warranty and free door-to-door servicing are included with the Geek AiroCook Spectra. Now welcome your healthy and foodie life together with Geek Digital Air Fryer.